guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm going to be doing my weekly chores. So I do chores every Sunday, basically after I post my weekly video. Here are all of my cleaning products that we're going to be using. I switched from paper towels to paperless paper towels. These can be washed and reused over and over and over again, so I don't buy paper towels anymore. This duster we're going to be using, those are heavy duty wipes, and then we're going to be using that with that. Every day that I cook, and I cook on this skillet, I will clean the area around it, but I don't clean under it, if that makes sense. So dirt and grease saves up. So we've got these heavy duty grease things. I also do not wash this until the end, and it's really filthy. So we wash that once a week. We're gonna put that in there. Let it soak for a while. Lots and lots of dirt, grease, disgusting stuff that piles up there, and this is what we do once a week to clean all that out of there. I'm actually going to give it a quick wipe down first with this. Now remember, these are washable, so we're going to want to basically put it in the laundry, and we're going to use another one. While we're at it, I put this back over here because we just cleaned under it, and now I'm just going to clean on it, even though it's pretty much clean. I went ahead and washed the drain mat and then this. And then I usually fold this, and this catches any water from here when I am drying the dishes. Unfortunately, in a tiny house, there is only so much room for certain things. So these three things that I keep over there on the skillet also always get oil and grease all over them. So weekly, I will take these and wash them so that I can put them out over there, because that's basically their storage area. We're gonna let those dry there so that we can display them on the skillet later. And now we're gonna move on to this part of the counter. Part of my chores consist of cleaning all of this stuff off of here, because there's pepper that falls down, there's dust and dirt that falls down, so I take all of these things off. I clean the sink every day, but I don't clean back here every time, and I also don't clean this every time. Weekly, I will do that. We're also going to focus up here and take this off. And then now we're simply going to take everything off of this side of the counter and do the entire counter section. During chores time, we also do the kitchen appliances. So like these two, I do not do those daily. Getting clean. One of the things that irritates me the most is the ceiling fan that has all of the dust on it. We need to do that weekly as well. We're gonna clean this ceiling fan just by turning it off and cleaning the top and the bottom, and then this up here. This used to be a monthly maintenance thing, but I changed it to weekly because it just gets way too dirty. We are also going to clean the outside of my toilet. It collects dust as well. We just want to make sure it stays nice and clean. Not bad. We are also going to clean the sink and clean all around it. And then we also want to clean the mirror. Now I'm going to put everything back. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is clean the water filter on the top and then spot where it pours down. To clean the shower, I can use these, which are new to me. And there you have it, a nice clean shower. Some weekly chores also happen in my business office where I just clean the surface and the tops with these two. And to the other side. Definitely a lot of things to move and not much space to work in when you're in a tiny house. That's business alcohol. Another weekly thing that I like to do is dust inside these little cubby holes. Sometimes I move the stuff, sometimes I don't. If you guys can remember when I had my apartment, one of the reasons why I went tiny is because I had so much of this stuff that I did not want to move it, so I stopped dusting. I purposely got rid of a lot of stuff so that I can have a normal life and be able to clean and not have all this stuff collect dust on me. So we take the time to dust because we only have so little stuff now. Instead of moving hundreds of items, you just have to move 1, 2, 3 things, and it's a lot easier to clean. What are you doing? What is he doing? He's just chilling there. Dusting is done. Next on the chores list is cleaning the outside of my garbage can. Again, I don't do this every single day, but throughout the week, grease might splatter on it or something might get on it, so it starts to gather up and it starts to become gross. I don't know if you guys can see little oil spots and little dirt. We are going to take the time to clean that. And then we just put it back. We are also going to clean the convection oven. I don't know how these come out, so I don't really know how to get in there, so I kind of just wipe in there. And I cook on this every day, so, or mostly every day. I'm gonna get the vacuum. On average, I use about 8 to 12 of these paperless paper towels per week to clean my whole tiny house. I have actually 5 bundles of these, and each bundle is, I'll have to find the price for you, but I will put the link in the description below for their Etsy shop because these are actually really cool. It comes with 3 sets of different color teals, and there's other colors on there as well, but for about $21 you get 12 of these. And they're gonna last so long, so I ended up getting 5 different bundles of these. So I use 8 to 12 of these to clean with. If I don't use the vacuum, I'll use this. We didn't have to use it this time. Yeah, so our cleaning is done. That was my weekly chores. We didn't hit anything in the cat loft or in my bedroom or anything up on the top level, but the main surface things is what we were focusing on. These things also don't include my monthly maintenance things like vacuuming out the mini split. Not everybody is going to have the same tiny house design, and they're not going to be cleaning the same things in their weekly chores. So this is just what happens in my tiny house. All of you guys may not have a tiny house office, so you wouldn't have to be cleaning in there. But if you had a living area or a living room, you might clean in there. Or you might be up in your bedroom more, so you might have surface areas that you want to clean up there. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notification bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Today I'm going to be doing those weekly chores. Hold on. This is basically a weekly... so distracted by the cats. Just to keep everything, you know, clean. This is so long. What's going on? What's going on?
Thank you. He's Kisses. His name Kisses.
And I hope you guys, don't put that in there.